The first thing you want to do is jump into your Google Ads account, head over to Tools and Keyword Planner. When it comes to discovering new keywords, you want to make sure you're picking the keywords that make the most sense for the landing page you are sending someone to on your website. What this task requires is one of two steps. The first one is to take a step back and think to yourself, what would a potential user search for in order to find your business? Now, this could be something simple like gardening services near me, or it might be something a little bit more technical. Now, I'm going to show you both ways to do this and the steps to take after that in this video. This first option is slightly more complicated, but it is necessary because it teaches you a lot about your business and the demographic that is visiting your site. This exercise gets you to think about what the customer is searching for, and you're then able to deliver on that. What you want to do is come up with a list of keywords that you think someone would search for and type them into the search bar. For example, lawn mowing near me, and perhaps garden services. What you then do is click on Get Results. What this will do is give you the average monthly searches over the last year in your location related to the terms that you've put in. And now this is good because Google uses broad match type at the moment, which means that Google matches searches to the meaning of your keyword rather than the actual keyword that you have chosen. So for example, lawn mowing might match to someone searching grass cutting because Google understands the similarities. What you are able to do now is sort by highest to lowest average monthly searches. And you can see garden design, garden sensors near me. These have 1,000 to 10,000 average monthly searches. This is great because you can leverage this to help get yourself more traffic to your website. The other things to look at here is the competition column. Here we can see that we have high competition for garden design. This means that a lot of people are using this keyword in their account. The next thing to look at is the top of page low range and high range. Now, you may think, oh, I will just cut this in half and that's typically how much I would pay, but not exactly true. You see, the high range is the highest it was over the course of the last year. This means that Black Friday sales, Christmas specials, anything like that would have affected the high range. Whereas the low range, where Google usually operates, is typically what you're going to pay. So if you look at the low range, that is a pretty good indication of how much you're going to pay per click on that specific keyword. The other option is to start with a website. Now, this is my preferred option. Some may call it the lazy man's way because you're using the website to get your keywords. But the way I see it is if your website is set out correctly and thinking about quality score, which we mentioned in our last video, if you wanted to go look at that, it's here somewhere at the top. But quality score is the most important thing at the moment. So in order to have a 10 out of 10 quality score, you will need your keyword to match to your landing page. So what better way to get keywords than directly from your landing page? So what I've done here is I've pulled up a website that I know has really good SEO. And I'm simply going to take the link for this digital advertising page on their website, and I'm going to copy it and paste it into here. Now, what you can do is use the entire site to get your keywords, but I do not recommend that because it is too broad. Remember, we were looking for a high quality score. So you're going to want to use only this page, and you're going to want to do it for every page on your website. What you'll then do is click Get Results. And here you'll see all of the results related to that page, related to the service you offer, as well as the competition and how much you're typically going to pay for that keyword. What you can then do is download these keywords onto a Google Sheet. Let's name this digital advertising. While we wait for that to download, please be sure to like this video and leave a comment if you found it helpful. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching if you've made it this far, and I'll be really glad if you subscribe. Now that your keywords are downloaded, I'm going to show you a trick to get them organized really quickly and efficiently. In Google Sheets, you select keyword, Control A or Command A on Mac, And what you want to do is create a filter. Then in the column C with the average monthly searches, you want to make sure that these are in number format. And then you can sort them from highest to lowest. Now you'll notice that there's a couple with no data. What we can do is go through these and find the ones that best suit our website. But the reason they have no data is because not a lot of people are searching for them. So typically what I do is just delete all of these. And then we have the top average monthly searches listed over here. Now when it comes time to creating your campaign, you can simply copy the top 10, top 15, and use them in your campaign. Now, this is not very specific, but if you have chosen a specific page on your website and everything here is related to that, you should be able to group these by specific themes. So you'll see digital marketing, online marketing, social media marketing, and advertising agency. 4 very different themes that you can use to group these specifically. So go through this list and find the themes that you're then going to break out into different ad groups. And that will help your quality score increase. You can then use ad copy that matches those keywords as well as the landing page and have the perfect user journey, which, as I said, brings your cost down and your website traffic up. So now you know how to do keyword research in 2024. Stick around because in our next video, we're going to go through the perfect landing page setup to help you get the conversions you're looking for. Happy advertising.